Superfoods that supercharge your mental health. Unique brain food you didn't know were great for you. If you do not have any admiration for Albert Einstein, please raise your hand. No hands? Not even one? It was obvious to me. Many people aspire to be so smart they come up with great ideas that will be talked about for years. Intelligence is not the result of brain size, contrary to common belief. However, scans of the brain have revealed that those who are bright or geniuses possess more gray matter. You will find this area of your brain in charge of sorting and analyzing data and information. It helps you focus, remember, use words, and make inferences. Nutrition and diet play a significant role in promoting and maintaining good health since they are modifiable risk factors for chronic diseases. More and more research shows that the volume of gray matter in the brain is dependent on proper nutrition and exercise. Hi, and welcome back to Healthicity. Today, we will talk about superfoods that supercharge your mental health. Before we do that, be sure to subscribe to our channel to join us on the brighter side of life. The word superfood means the highest concentration of nutrients, vitamins, and mineral beneficial to human health. We can benefit from different parts of our bodies with superfoods, but they are especially good at boosting and preserving our mental health. They aid at relieving chronic fatigue, stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. They also help with memory by lowering dementia risk and enhancing attention and concentration in class or down at the store where you work. Stick with us to the end of the video to find out 7 such superfoods. Fatty fish, also known as oily fish, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve memory and lower anxiety levels. Omega-3 fatty acids are not only essential for proper brain function, but also have a wide range of other beneficial effects in the body. It is well known that they alleviate symptoms of depression and those of other mood disorders. Memory and other mental functions can both benefit from taking omega-3 fatty acids. The following is a list of some of the best fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids: salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. Wild salmon contains the highest concentration of omega-3 fatty acid and is also an excellent source of protein and nutrients beneficial to the brain. Docosahexaenoic acid is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that makes wild salmon a superfood, according to a study that was published in a journal of Alzheimer's and dementia. This type of omega-3 fatty acid is known as docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, because your body cannot produce omega-3s. You must obtain these fatty acids from outside sources. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent and rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can improve the health of your brain if you are vegetarian or vegan. We all hate spinach, but for the sake of your gray matter, take a lot of it. I'll tell you why. Folic acid is abundant in leafy greens because of its high leaf content. Insomnia, sadness, and exhaustion are all conditions that have been related to deficiencies in folic acid and other B vitamins. Consuming appropriate amounts of leafy greens as part of a healthy diet can assist in the treatment of depression as well as a variety of other mental health disorders. Here is a list of some leafy green superfoods that you should include in your diet regularly for the best possible mental health: spinach, kale, collard greens, romaine lettuce, and many more. Berries are another great snack option. They are high in antioxidants and have diverse health advantages for our bodies and minds. Did you know that these little fruits are known as brainberries? Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are among them. According to a study from the University of Exeter in Great Britain, blueberries are a superfood since they're loaded with antioxidant-rich flavonoids. These nutrients are found in plants and have been demonstrated to protect brain cells from oxidative damage, increase short-term memory, and possibly reverse balance and coordination loss. Dark berries have more antioxidants, a little-known trick for picking berries. With so many ways of consuming them, attaining the required half-cup dose is easy. Toss them in your breakfast cereal or pancakes, or mix them in a smoothie. Have you tried fermented foods? If not, you're missing out on much-needed nutrients. As per research, our mental health is tightly connected to health of our gastrointestinal system. Fermented foods are beneficial to our gastrointestinal health because they contain prebiotics and probiotics. Some antidepressant medications have been shown to affect the same regions of the brain as fermented foods. Your symptoms of depression depression and anxiety might reduce if you boost a number of fermented foods in your diet. Here are some fermented superfoods that will enhance the gastrointestinal and mental health: yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. This is for the men out there. As you buy bars of chocolate for your girl, ask her permission to take a few bites. Cacao and dark chocolate are enriched with nutrients and natural compounds that improve memory and brain function while improving your mood. It also contains magnesium, which reduces cholesterol levels, lowering stress levels. Dark chocolate has more cacao than milk chocolate, making it pure. Choose ceremonial grade cacao for the purest form of cacao. Grab some dark chocolate the next time you're craving anything sweet to enjoy the rewards. According to a study published in the journal Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Research, dark chocolate is a superfood because of its high flavanol content. These compounds have enhanced brain blood flow, improving mental function and memory. Another reason to like dark chocolate is because it has many polyphenols. These phytochemicals are one of a kind and have been proved to help with depression and anxiety. Just make sure to purchase dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content and limit yourself to 2 squares per day. So the next time you indulge in some dark chocolate, keep in mind that you're also rewarding your brain. You should also try some turmeric. According to a handful of studies, high levels of inflammation throughout the body are linked to various mental health issues. Curcumin is a naturally found molecule found in turmeric that has been shown to alleviate symptoms of stress and depression and reduce inflammation. Among the most popular spices used in Indian cooking, turmeric is also very simple to include in Western diets. To receive your regular dose of turmeric, simply add it to eggs and stew or pour out a golden milk cappuccino. Have you heard about walnuts? According to a detailed study conducted by the University of California, Los Angeles, walnuts are a powerful superfood because they contain one-of-a-kind combination of specific antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which can increase brain performance. For example, walnuts have nearly twice as many antioxidants as the overall amount found in all other types of nuts combined. They also contain a large amount of DHA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown in research to assist with both memory and mood. It should come as a shock that many medical experts consider walnuts the ideal superfood due to the abundance of nutrients they contain. Include some in your salads and the yogurt that you consume. Muffins and pasta seem to have been 2 potential applications for them. You could also just grab a few of them should you need a protein-packed snack throughout the day. Regarding the numerous ways in which walnuts can benefit your brain, you are free to lose your mind. Few vegetables are as tasteless and uninspiring as broccoli, yet they may contribute to the growth of some juice in your gray matter. A study that was an article in the journal Genesis suggests that broccoli is a superfood since it contains sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is known to enhance the growth and repair of brain tissue. Sulforaphane is a unique molecule present in some foods, most notably broccoli. It possesses both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristics. The good news is that there are many ways to enjoy this nutritious vegetable. You can prepare broccoli in various ways by dicing it and combining it in omelets, noodles, or slaw, or by grilling it. Other choices include these little trees add a delicious flavor and aroma to any dish. The flowers on their branches taste good and have several health benefits, particularly for the brain. We hope that this has been informative to you. As we rest the case, avoid eating highly processed snacks like potato chips, making it difficult to focus your attention on something for an extended period. Avoid eating sugary snacks like sweets and soft drinks, which can cause your energy levels to swing wildly from highs to lows. Since olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil all contain healthy fats, it is in your best interest to consume many of these foods because they will help your brain perform better. When hunger strikes, munch on nutritious snacks such as fruits, almonds, eggs in the shell, or baked sweet potatoes, because these foods provide more energy than packaged goods. If you love this episode, be sure to subscribe and hit your notification bell so you do not miss any content from us. See you in the next video.